Oh, what do I got going on today? Some fun stuff? I think it's fun. A good little morning project. I wanted to mount my gloves up on the wall, when I'm working on doing oil changes or whatever. The gloves come in handy, so this works out pretty good. You're probably wondering, why did I use glue? The darn bottle froze up on me. I'm assuming that it froze up on me. Tried to stick a screwdriver down in here to scoop some up and I couldn't get any up, so this sucker is only being held by some brad nails. It should work fine. Alright, let's get going. Oh yeah. About the hat. Boy, did I get some interested in these cool rad hats. I have a whole bunch of subscribers that want one. I think like 3. If you do want a hat, one of these cool rad One Lonely Plumber hats, email me and I'll put my email address right here. Just email me and let me know that you want a hat. I only have this one here, well, this color combo type of thing to give out, and I'll probably give out 2 or 3 hats. So yeah, that's exciting. But the only thing I ask is if you could do a small, quick 10-second video of you wearing the hat and saying thanks for watching, peace. If you could do that, my outro my videos, I like to be able to add a couple of my subscribers to the outro. So if I get 2 or 3 people that want hats, it'll give me a chance to have 2 or 3 people that want to do my ending of my videos. I think it would be kind of cool. Send me the video to that email address and then I can upload it on my next few videos and have you finish off the video. Kind of fun, right? Well, I got the tractor warming up and If nobody wants a hat and nobody wants to do video for me, I'll just keep on doing them. So this whole yard was all full of trees. The trees leaned up over the house. It was a complete mess. Well, anyways, we removed all the trees and did all this stuff. Well, I brought in like a bunch of loam and fill this whole yard. I filled this whole yard up, and I spreaded it all with just my BX 25D. And you know, I'm no expert at that, spreading dirt and trying to level things off and all that. So this yard is really bumpy. This tractor is no fun when you don't have even ground. You feel like you're gonna go whack, whack, like you're gonna whack up against the rocks or something. It's terrible. It's so uncomfortable. Let me just show you. Big pain in the butt. You're coming around a corner. I have to like drive almost all the way onto my rocks to make the corner. I didn't have to do that with my zero turn. Guess what I'm trying to share with you. So I guess what I'm trying to say is I wish I kept my zero turn. My whole thought process was I really wanted a leaf blower, a grass catcher, and I had to buy a mower deck for that. So I'm like, well, I'm gonna buy a mower deck. I'm not gonna keep two mowers, really not thinking that the tractor's just not gonna work out for mowing the grass. It's just not gonna do it. It's just uncomfortable. It's not gonna work. I can't even do the front yard. I'm gonna have to go out and buy a push mower for it or something. But and the other thing too is I was thinking that why keep two pieces of equipment? You know, I have to maintain two pieces of equipment, and then I have to store more stuff. You know, like that. I have to find an area for the zero turn to park and the store for the winter time, and I have, you know, all the implements on your tractor that you have to store for the winter time. You have to store your front, you know, your FEL, your hoe. It just seemed to be, at the time I was thinking that it just made sense just to keep the belly mower or just go with a belly mower. But really kind of wish I kept my zero turn. And then I've been out pricing out zero turns. Half of them don't even have them. There's a waiting period to get them, and I don't really want to buy one from like Tractor Supply or Home Depot, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Again, I might just, it's not comfortable. It's not comfortable at all. That's my 2 cents in it. If you want a hat, email me. Peace.